Yes. Good job. What is the sound of letter S?
Scooty.
Good job.
Spoon.
Next. Zaira,
Yes.
can you trace the letter S in the air? Yes. And what is the sound of letter S?
Yes.
Can you find something around you that starts with S?
This shout or scooty or slipper.
Good job.